The OVO 595 vacuum is a compact system. It makes it easy to install in tight spaces like in wardrobe, on top of washing machine, beside the hot water tank in electrical room, and more. Can be plugged in an outlet with another electrical appliance, which means a 2-outlet plug can be used for this vacuum and any other electrical appliance. No need for piping in wall. Just plug the hose directly to the unit and start using your vacuum. Lightweight, so when you move, bring your vacuum with you. You don't need to get a new one every time you change home. Our large debris canister of 475 GAL 18L lets you clean up your condo without having to empty it every 2 minutes. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.